Gevre zijn nu met Mandy. Mandy was so nice.
Nog eens gaan, ik wilde zo. Laatste maand we de show of the Maxons, de slip on sheikh. The feedback was amazing. So stores om requested eraan te brengen. Eraan te sheikh that didn't take in just because of your show. It was amazing. Comfortability, feedback, quality, alles. Ik heb geen complaint.
Ik wil ook zeggen, Mandy, I got enormous response from people that always mission to find a classy shoe with a good feel. This is the video from Lobo. They loved it.
Exactly. So that's why we hadden het al lang gehad op them to take that comfortability and bekwaamheid and put it into the nice Shabbos shoes. Well, Shabbos sheikh basically everybody complains on the Shabbos sheikh. So dit de eerste 5 in de wochen.
It's hard.
It's hard, exactly. So hard. Me ken je met een wochen. Iedereen gaat erin. Ga naar sheikh. Ga nog een paar tegen het gezien. So therefore.
I know that. Well, the stores always tell you wear it a few days and then you're gonna get comfortable. And children that the first few days is nog jamtig. Gewoon zijn wakker jamtig. We hebben zoetel.
So this is the concept is that leather eventually stretches to your feet, right? That's the concept. That's why the store tells you feet.
Walk around
with it for a couple of days and you'll be comfortable. But the model from this is the way I designed the shoes. I took more of a softer leather, the geschmack, the hold on.
And it looked very classy.
And we have our signature
the famous
gel, which absorbs the ganze weight from a person. So what it does also, besides it adds to your comfortability, it also holds the structure of the shoe because the gel insole takes the pressure. So it holds the structure of the shoe. So your shoe doesn't get ruined as fast as other, because otherwise then the sole takes a beating, the side takes a beating. Here, the gel insole
takes the beating.
He takes the
so
beating.
So your sole stays strong.
Exactly. So that's the concept is good, comfortable leather shoes. When you wear this the first time, you're not going to be
limping around.
Especially the people that complain was the people that got with the federal sheikh. The was ook niet sheikh. Kijk deze.
Why? You're saying those especially are hard.
Because ze kwetschen eraf van alle zaten. It's a different style. It's dat zich houden. So if you have the softer leather with the gel insole met alles samen, it holds a lot better. Als je geen van poeg hebt, the feedback is amazing.
So how bezoeken hebben schwarze sokken, wasser, whatever you wear Shabbos.
Whatever you wear.
Amazing for you. The back, that's a killer.
We have it in a few styles.
I know when I got married, I remember telling the shoe store, what should I do? I can't break in, want de gasten laten kennen tanzen met ons tegen in the back. And if you need time to break in...
Ik heb een gatman dat gasten gemaakt.
No.
And he asked, I gave him a pair of shoes. Hij zegt, jede gasten gaat daar misgaan met zijn zich wel, de waarbod geheißen. So he buys brand new shoes, but at the end of the class he takes motion to be able to finish the gasten dancing by his own kids gasten.
Because it was a from all sides.
I gave him a pair of shoes. He said it was the first time, he just met Chassan recently, he said it was the first time he was able to dance by Chassan without taking time because his foot isn't here. Hurt.
Wow. So that's something that's I would call the Yeshia Sheikh. The Lobo Yeshia Sheikh. Was the Zeto shine classy, because they usually don't go together. If it looks nice,
correct.
Then it's not comfortable.
Exactly.
If it's comfortable, it doesn't look nice. How do you get them together?
So give him a sach arbeit of them, a sach arbeit that went in that I was able to combine both of them together. And then I have these two shoes they're classy shoes on a different kind of sole. That happens to be, I don't even have a word to describe the comfortability. It's mamish, and I actually bought a pair for you because I know you're on your feet the whole day.
All day on my feet.
I bought a pair all day on your feet. I bought you a pair like this. You're gonna thank me.
Taka.
Yeah, when you run around, give out this card for the traffic, this is the one.
He said this is the Yeshia shoe. Okay, we'll definitely try it on. And it looks classy, it looks nice. That sole looks pretty comfortable over there. Wow. Mandy, and like always, you have everybody in mind, from the Flatbush Buchid to the, Monsi Buchid, a Barpak Buchid, I made Chiyakasha Barpak Buchid, a Babava Buchid, let's call it. Every style, every type, good Chassidish, Halboys and Halbashich, every age, comfortability, mid laces, laces, classy. Side classy designs, classy, gorgeous. So basically, a person walks into the store and he says, "Get me the Lobo Yeshia Sheikh."
Okay.
The guy might
what I'm doing special for Perlowitz show, there's a lot of expenses. Everybody has a lot of expenses for Pesach, and until Pesach, in all the stores that will be made, so Shemp, so Satchmai, Butterpark Lake, with Williamsburg, Staten Island, I don't know, no, Staten Island. Butterpark, Williamsburg.
Not shoe store.
No.
So basically, whatever there's shoe stores
is going to be for the end customer. We worked it out with the stores. For the end customer, is going to have a $20 discount on a shoe that's made all leather, made in Spain, with gel insole, everything that it puts it into one shoe, will at the end user be able to get a $20 discount. Usually the shoes will sell for $179 plus in the store.
It's a very
now
good
it's going to
price.
sell for $159 in the stores.
Go into the store, ask for the Lobo shoe, mention Perlowitz at checkout, and get $20 off the sale. That's the sale. That's an amazing price. The price itself is a sale price. I mean,
Yeah, exactly.
Great price.
For the oil and for Paisach.
Goed Paisach, men is going out for the oilem, for the Perlowitz followers of Klal Yisrael. Gevre, go into the store, ask them for the Lobo shoe. It's you can see it from a mile away. It has a green insole, has that distinguished green look, and you'll see it and you know it's a Lobo shoe. Gevre, let me know how it felt. Put it on, send me feedback, send me pictures, and I really love seeing you guys in it. Lobo! Mandy! Kalakovet. When we start in the Gemara, you should sell everything and buy yourself a pair of shoes.
Exactly. Bij de die erover ben ik laten zien,
Ja.
de gemoeren.
Ja.
Eind ik had geschickt maar een copy.
Ja,
Send you a
ja,
copy that says
ja.
you sell everything to buy a pair of shoes. And as it says over here, Lobo, feel grounded.
Feel grounded.
Because you have a solid shoe in your feet, you feel so comfortable, bequem.
Gevre, als mijn koosje legt in een Paisach.